Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's eyeshadow look, I will be using my new Caliente Artist Couture palette that I did receive in BoxyCharm, and I'm going to create a colorful look for the summer. My Artist Couture palette, I am going to start with this yellow right here. This is gonna go on my lids. Artist Couture, I wanted to use it. There's my opportunity. Let's see if it's yellow enough for me. The summer is bright and I want it bright, bright, bright. This is what the yellow is looking like. So far so good. Okay, they're not disappointing me, not quite yet. Remember, take your palette out and let us just have fun with this makeup, okay? We mimic each other, we will do the same thing, we are having fun. Fireworks already. It's so early. I'm just smoothing it. Makeup is fun, makeup is fun. Put it on. If you don't like it, take it off, put it back on again. Me, once I put it on, it stays all day. That's it. I don't take out anything. There is a little bit of kickback in the pan, but I can live with that. I'm going to do the other eye off camera so we can save some time, and then I'll come back to do my base. Okay? See you soon. If you're a heavy fan, like I said, there's construction going on in the bathroom, so there's a fan blowing. So if you hear it, that's what it is. And I am back to do the base. I already have my primer on, so we are going to do base. I have a very small mirror, so I hope I am not messing up anything. My big mirror is too big to put in front of the camera, so it has to be on the side. I'm using the small side, no magnifying side on a different mirror. So just hope I am doing it right, or else I'll have to just fix it, but I'm not washing it off. I'm using UOMA foundation. I have to do under my eye when I behind those scenes because I need the magnifying mirror. To that piece. I am sweating. Menopause is at its best right about now. So we are going to roll with it. Menopause or not, we are rolling. That'll help the foundation. The menopause sweat will help the foundation blend. Okay, now to do over my brows, I need the magnifying mirror, so I am going to have to do that. I will be back. The lip finishing powder in Brown Sugar Baby. I'm using the Vavava Voom by Luna Magic Eye Primer. I need to see what I'm doing. That came in my June boxy charm. This is looking good. I'll do the other one off camera. And this is today's makeup of the day. I use the Artist Couture palette that I got in my June boxy charm. I show you everything I used as I went along. The only thing I didn't show you was my lipstick was from Wet n Wild. This is it. This is what it looks like. This is everything. Everything is done. I left the front part of my lashes with the pink primer, and the rest I darken up with my mascara. This is it. The Artist Couture palette is beautiful. Lots of kickback, but it is gorgeous and I like it. And the look that I create is for summer. It's my summer look. The blue eyeliner represents the ocean. The yellow on my lids represent the sun, and all of these are the different colors of the sun rays. Like when you look at the sun, especially when it's setting, you see all the different colors, so that's what that represents. This is my summer look. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I will see you in another video. Words of encouragement: it is okay to cut people off your life if they no longer serve you. It is okay to cut people out of your circle if they no longer serve you. Again, I am saying goodbye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Summer look. Beautiful, I am the queen that like the lion. Yeah. That's me. I am powerful. I am beautiful. I embrace life. I make sure my heart is clean. If I like someone, I like them with every bone in my body. So again, my summer look. Yeah.